everyone, today in this video we are going to talk about how to fix Beat Solo but's not loud enough. Fix 1. Check volume levels on your devices. Ensure the volume is turned up on your source device, iPhone, Android, etc. Increase the volume using the Beats app or the device's volume controls. Fix 2. Disconnect and reconnect to different devices. Disconnect the Beat Studio from your current device. Connect them to different devices like an iPhone or Android phone. Check if the volume improves on the new device. After confirming the volume is normal, reconnect the buds to the original device. Sometimes this resets the volume levels and fixes the issue. Fix 3. Check Bluetooth range and battery. Ensure your Beat Studio buds are within the recommended Bluetooth range of your device. Place the earbuds back in their case and close it. Wait for a few seconds, then take them out and reconnect to your device. Check if reconnecting improves the volume. Make sure the battery is charged. Low battery can affect performance. Fix 4. Adjust audio setting on your device for iOS. Go to Setting Accessibility, scroll down and select Audio Visual. Ensure Mono Audio is turned off. Check the balance slider and make sure it is centered. Fix 5. Clean the earbuds. Ensure the earbuds are free of any debris or wax that might be obstructing the sound. Use a soft dry cloth to clean the earbuds and charging case. Fix 6. Reset the Beat Studio buds. Place the Beat Studio buds back in their charging case and leave the lid open. Press and hold the B button on both earbuds until you hear 3 rapid sounds. Usually it takes 10 seconds to hear this sound. After you hear the sound, release the button. Wait for the buds to reset. Reconnect the earbuds to your device and check if the volume increase is resolved. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.